So Pascal, I've seen a little video of you this morning on a bus, I believe.
That's right.
What have you been doing?
Hey, it was a bus pitch, right? And we thought, what better way than just go in a bus where nobody can leave? We just forced them to listen to us for 10 minutes. It was perfect.
I love that. That's the kind of entrepreneurial spirit that we love here at Spielwarenmesse. That's amazing. Is this your first year here?
It is, right? Actually, it's the first year we're doing this at all. So totally new experience, but we love it.
It's amazing. How old is the company?
1.5 years old, actually. But we've done that part-time. So I would say it's a half years old where we do it the real way.
You really knuckled down and you're doing it 100%.
Exactly.
Well, you grabbed my attention because we just couldn't help but stop here because it is an escape room in a box. Are you seeing that trend? I think is such a booming trend, right? Escape rooms, puzzles, home escape rooms. Is that something you realised was a booming industry, so you thought you'd latch onto it?
Hey, it wasn't that way. It was more than we just love to do that.
Yeah.
You know, there were a lot of other puzzle boxes before us, ID Venture, for example, and they just made a path for us way easier. And we do that as a personal, private, and just we enjoy to do it. And that way we thought, hey, let's do it on our own. And with the 3D printing, there was the technology that brought the possibilities to us, and we can now actually do it on our own.
Yeah, I mean, tell us more about the 3D printing. Obviously, you've got one that's being churned out as we speak.
Exactly.
This is incredible. So, tell us more about this.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, that's not the machine we use in a normal industrial product, but it's a kind of the same technology. It's printing layer by layer. It's 3D printing, FDM it's called, and it's printing a material called PLA. It's a bioplastic made out of sugarcane. So it's totally recyclable if you wish, and this way we can actually do everything we need. We couldn't do that with molds and plastic molds. With 3D printing this way, layer by layer, we can do everything you see here.
That's interesting. So you're actually able to produce something which is incredibly sophisticated inside, all the various like locks and twists and turns and gears.
Exactly.
So you can just print that as the main body, at least as a whole.
Exactly. We actually started to produce this one in total print in place, as it's called. So every piece is printed at once.
Even the different colors?
Yeah, it was, but we stopped that. It's possible, just to prove that it's possible. We stopped it as it wouldn't be that beautiful at the end as a product as we want to.
Sure.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the products. So are these the 4 in the range?
Exactly. There we have 4 products. We have starting with the keebox blue, the keebox purple, orange, and yellow, and they're just matching difficulties. Difficulty 1 to 4. So that one takes you about 20 minutes. That one takes you about 2 hours to solve.
Well, I'm disappointed now because I thought I was trying the really hard one earlier. I was quite proud of myself.
Yeah,
but there's another 2?
Yeah, there's another 2, and you know you needed hints, right?
I did. Okay,
quite a lot, actually.
Let's not say that I did need that many.
No, he didn't.
No. It was all on my own. Thanks so much for that, Pascal. Cheers, thank you. I was liking you before.
Yeah, no.
I love this. This is so good. This fits escape rooms, puzzling, creative mindfulness, really, which is part of one of our trends.
Yeah.
I love that it's sustainable as well with the plastics you're using.
About that, just as a small thing, we produce everything in-house in Switzerland, and we assemble with an institution that works with younger people who came on the wrong path, drugs, psychological health issues and stuff, and we help them to find their way back into work. So even that is sustainable and should be a good reason to do it.
That's wicked. You're ticking so many boxes. I love this. This is very much the spirit of play, the spirit of Spielwarenmesse.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so this is an early question for you. It's your first year, first day, but how are you finding it here at Spielwarenmesse?
It's amazing. It's way more calm than I expected it to be, and in a good way.
Yeah.
It's not businessy, if you know what I mean. So people are really nice to us. They know we're starters. It's just fun, and we get to meet so many other contacts and new people, and that's just beautiful.
Yeah, Pascal, it's great having you here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hopefully we'll see you next year as well.
I hope so too.
We'll catch up with you later in the year. It's amazing.
Let's do that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Awesome.